Welcome to our video, Top 6 Must-Have Gadgets You'll Love. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Honor Watch GS3. This global version smartwatch is crafted with a sleek 3D curved glass design, making it both stylish and functional. Its 1.43-inch AMOLED screen delivers stunning visuals with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and a crisp 326 ppi density. With a battery capacity of 451 mAh, it promises reliable usage throughout your day. With 5 ATM water resistance, integrated GPS, Bluetooth 5.0 support, a built-in speaker, and a microphone, it covers all the essentials. Weighing approximately 44 grams without the strap, it's lightweight yet robust, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a smart companion. Number 5. Tronsmart T7 Speaker. This portable Bluetooth speaker brings an immersive listening experience with its Sound Pulse audio technology and 360-degree surround sound. The true wireless stereo pairing capability allows you to connect two speakers for even richer audio output. With Bluetooth 5.3, you'll enjoy a fast and stable connection. Number 4. Parking Surveillance Cable. Designed for 70 mAh dash cameras like the A200, M200, S500, and others, this hardwire kit enables 24-hour parking monitoring. It ensures that your dash cam remains powered and vigilant even when your vehicle is parked. This cable is particularly useful for safeguarding your car in parking lots or on the street, providing you with continuous security footage. If you use a 70 mAh dash cam, this is an indispensable accessory to enhance your setup. Number 3. YIFANAO UV Flashlight. This ultraviolet torch is built for practicality and durability. The 395nm LED emits a UV purple light, ideal for detecting pet urine stains or inspecting currency authenticity. Number 2. Oukitel RT2 Tablet. This rugged tablet boasts a 10.1-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1200 by 1920 for clear and vivid visuals. Powered by the 8788 CPU, it comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample storage. The tablet's 16-megapixel front and rear cameras allow for quality photos and video calls. With a massive 20,000 mAh battery, you'll enjoy extended usage without frequent recharging, and the 33-watt fast charging feature ensures quick power-ups. Its dual SIM card support and extensive network compatibility make it ideal for global travelers. Built to withstand rugged conditions, it's perfect for both work and play. Number 1. Realme C30 Phone. Featuring a powerful octa-core processor, this smartphone delivers seamless performance for daily tasks and entertainment. Its 6.5-inch display offers an 88.7% screen-to-body ratio and a 120Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring a smooth and immersive viewing experience. With a 5,000 mAh massive battery and 10-watt fast charging, you'll have power throughout the day. The 8-megapixel AI rear camera and 5-megapixel AI selfie camera capture decent photos and videos for its price range. Running on Realme UI Go Edition based on Android 11, it provides a user-friendly interface. Supporting dual nano SIMs, a microSD slot, and various 4G, 3G, and 2G network bands, this phone is a reliable and affordable choice for budget-conscious users. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.